Hey guys, this is Ryan from Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to change the garment colors within a product on a Fulfill Engine white label web store. So I've gone ahead and I've got my embroidery file good to go here, and one thing that we are going to note is that you can only have one artwork colorway per product. So if we were putting a white version of this logo on a red hat, we would not be doing that at this stage. We would be creating a nested product. So basically, any hat that is going to get this black logo is what we're working on now. Any additional colorways are going to happen after. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to colors here. And now anything that's getting this color logo, you can go ahead and just click on that color swatch and start turning them on. To turn them off, just go ahead and click back on them. You'll see that they uncheck. So this particular hat is only getting black. And one thing that we are going to note on hats is to, even if there isn't any embroidery or decorating going on the sides or the back, go ahead and turn those on. What would happen is if we save this product with no back or side image, you're only going to see the front from the customer side of things. And just looking at this image right now, it's hard to tell if this is a mesh cap or a snapback. So we're just going to go ahead and turn those on. And once you have everything set up the way that you want it, go ahead and you're good to click Save Product. Thanks for watching.